John Cena versus Rey Mysterio versus Jey USO versus Logan Paul versus Dominik Mysterio comparison. Real name: date of birth: current age: height: weight: birthplace: wife X, married, smoking, main roster debut: nationality: total matches: total wins: total losses: total draws: win percentage: United States Championship, Tag Team Championship, Intercontinental Championship, WWE Championship, World Heavyweight Championship, Longest reigning championship. Current roster. Wrestling ideal. Best friend. Ring name. Favorite food. Favorite drink. Favorite NFL team. Religion. WrestleMania appearances. WrestleMania wins. WrestleMania losses. Royal Rumble winner. Money in the Bank winner. Elimination Chamber winner. Action figure. Funko Pop. Celery. TikTok followers. Instagram followers. Facebook followers. Twitter followers. Who is your favorite? John Cena, Rey Mysterio, Jey USO, Logan Paul or Dominik Mysterio? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting WWE related videos. Thanks. Bye.